Hello and welcome to another Moosend tutorial. Today I will show you how to create an inline subscription form for collecting your readers' emails. Inline forms show up as part of your existing content without distracting your audience. This way they are even more likely to provide their email address and become loyal subscribers. Here is an example of an inline form. Now let's see how you can create an inline subscription form with Moosend without any coding skills. On your Moosend dashboard, click on the lead generation icon. Select the Subscription Forms tab and then click on the Create New button. Locate the inline form and click Create. Type in a name for your subscription form. Keep in mind that this is for internal use only, so you shouldn't worry too much. When you're ready, click Next to continue. From here, click on the Take Me to the Designer button to start designing your subscription form. You will be redirected to our template library. Browse the templates to find the one that suits you best and click Use Template. Now, you can use our designer to style it as you wish to match your brand and campaign, as shown in the pop-up form video. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how it looks on different devices and make any further adjustments if needed. When you are ready, click on the Proceed to Next Step button and click OK on the pop-up window that appears. Now it's time to set the visibility settings of your form. The first thing you should do to add an inline form to your website is to add the code snippet to your web page. The code snippet is a piece of code that should be added to the specific web page where you want the form to appear. Click on the Copy button to copy the code snippet which appears. Now it's time to move to our website. Let's assume you have a WordPress website and you want to add a form to your homepage. To find this specific web page, go to your dashboard and click on Pages on the menu on the left. Then locate the home page and click Edit. This is the structure of your home page. The blocks of content you add here is what your visitors see on this page of your website. Find the place where your inline form should be added. Supposing you want it to appear at the bottom of your page. Click on the plus symbol to add a new block. Go to the Formatting category and choose the Custom HTML block. Paste the code snippet there. Then click the Update button. Keep in mind that by following this process, we have so far only placed our snippet where we want the inline form to appear on the specific web page. But we haven't published it yet. Go back to your Moosend account. In Advanced Conditional Visibility Settings, you can set more rules for showing or hiding your form. First, select the respective tab, Conditional Rules for showing the form, or Conditional Rules for hiding the form, depending on what you want to do. Then you should specify if the form should be displayed when all or any of the criteria are present, using the drop-down menu. Then you need to use the Add Rule button to add the rules you wish and fill in the relevant fields to define them. Please remember that any rules for hiding your form that apply will prevail over rules for showing your form. When you're done, click Next. In the publishing step, you can automatically publish your form if your website is connected with your Moosend account. Simply switch the Publish on My Moosend Website option to On and select your website from the drop-down menu. Remember that in order to see your website here, it has to be verified. On the summary page, you can review all your subscription form content and setup. Check your subscription form one more time to see if anything is missing, and if everything looks good, click Publish. That's it. You've just created an inline form to start growing your mailing list. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.